On Instagram, we now have a variety of video content types that you can create. You have the 1-minute feed video, IGTV, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, and all of these generally require that you resize your video to square, vertical, or even portrait. My name's Luke with Subtitle, and today I'm going to show you a fast and easy way you can resize your video for Instagram. Our free tool provides a variety of video editing features for your social media videos, including a resize and crop tool. So let me show you how it works at subtitle.com. You can sign up for a free account if you want to follow along with me. So first we're going to upload our video. And while it's doing this, you'll see that our software will automatically transcribe your video during the upload process. This allows you to add video captions to your Instagram video as well. So you can see our caption transcript here once it's done, which you can preview and make edits if you wish. For a more thorough tutorial on this, be sure and check our video in the card and also in the description below. But what we're going to do is visit the Style Video tab. Again, here we have the option to add some other elements, like a headline, a progress bar, and you can also add a logo watermark to include your branding in your video. But what I want to show you today is how we can change the aspect ratio, in other words, the size and the shape of our video. Notice that with just one click, our landscape video can turn into a square for the Instagram feed, a vertical video for Reels, Stories, or IGTV, or even a 4x5 portrait video, which also works well on the Instagram feed. So as you see, it's super simple. But we can also do one more thing, which is actually to crop our video into the shape that we've selected using this zoom slider. But I think I'm going to go with square today. So I'm going to click on the video to arrange a few of these elements here. And once we've done that and styled our video the way we want, it's time to download our resized video. Again, you can sign up free at subtitle.com using the link in the description below to try it out for yourself. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep creating.